In this unit, we're going to be covering order of operations. This unit consists of C1, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, R1, and P1. In this unit, you can see there are a lot of fluency outcomes starting from F1 to F7. Pause the video here so that you can read the outcomes and familiarise yourself with what we're going to be covering in this unit. We're now going to be starting with C1. I understand why an order operation is needed. Here's a UDO question for you to try. Which one would be the correct answer? So you've got 4 different type of questions here, and you've got 2 different solutions for every single question. All you need to do is write down which one will be the correct answer, and if you can, justify your answers. Pause the video here. Here's the solutions. Make sure that you self-assess your work. So you should have got the answers in yellow, and you can see there are 2 types of solutions. How do I know which one's actually correct? So we're going to be using a method called BIDMAS, and the reason why is, as you can see, mathematicians wanted to come up with a universal method. This is to ensure that we all work in the same way, and this reduces any confusions of what side we're meant to be starting from when we're doing calculations of these types. Let's have a look at what BIDMAS actually means. Just to be really clear, we're not going to be using BODMAS and we're going to be using BIDMAS instead. The acronym stands for B brackets, I indices, D division, M multiplication, A addition, and finally S stands for subtraction. So we're going to be expressing BIDMAS in a pyramid format rather than expressing it horizontally. Let's have a look at this pyramid in detail. So we can see brackets comes first, followed by indices. Then we can see division and multiplication are on the same level, and equally addition and subtraction are also on the same level. When we look at BIDMAS in a horizontal direction, we can see that we will come across some common misconceptions because division does not come before multiplication. They are in fact on the same level, so they have equal opportunity, and the same goes for addition and subtraction. Addition does not come before subtraction. They are on the same level. So we've got indices here, and an example is 3 squared. Yes, we'll be looking at it later on. However, to put it simply in words, it's just a base that is raised to a power, can be an integer, a fraction, a decimal, and so on. Pause the video here so you can draw this pyramid and refer to it whenever we're doing questions of this type. That's the end of C1, and in the next video, we're ready to move on to looking at our fluencies.